Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So, welcome back to the Learning Zone with Manpreet Kaur. Today, we are going to do letter X. To do letter X. 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 Today, we are going to do letter X. Which letter is this? Letter X. X. Now, what is the sound of letter X? Just press this with your jawline and just blow out the air like this. Do it with me. Blow out the air and the sound is correct. Try it again. X says correct. Now you got it. So X. Christmas tree. What is this? Christmas tree. X. Christmas tree. See now what I have made for you? X. What is this? Xylophone. X. Xylophone. Okay. Now this X. Christmas tree. Correct? What is this? X. X-ray. X. X-ray. So these were the objects related to letter X. Related to letter X. Now let's start with the writing. Means the formation of letter X. Let's do it. Now this is your notebook like this. Like this, you have your notebook. Now I'll tell what is the procedure of writing for every age group. Okay, if your child knows to write, if your child doesn't know to write, if he is good in practice, then I'll tell for everyone. Okay, so let's try it out. See, if your child can write, so what you have to do, like this is your notebook. So you just draw two dots like this, two here and two here. Now what you have to tell to your child to just draw two slanting lines like this and join these dots like this. Means you are just drawing four dots and telling your child to join these two dots. Isn't it? This is the case when your child knows how to write. But when your child is not writing, child is 2.8, 2.9, so what you can do? You can just give this paper. Don't give this type of sheet. Just give a plain sheet like this and give the child a crayon and tell the child to trace on this line. Just draw with a pencil or with a sketch pen. You can use a sketch pen, a bold one, and make like this dots and make like this dots like this on a plain sheet, not on the lined ones, on the plain sheet, and just give your child a crayon and tell your child to trace on these lines. Means take a crayon, hold it like this, because now we are giving the practice of holding the crayons. Practice of holding the crayons, we are working on the muscles. So what you can do? You can tell a child to hold the crayon properly with these two fingers and one thumb like this and draw lines on this. Just draw lines on this. What child will do? Child will see the dots and draw like this. It's okay if child is not doing it properly. It's okay. He'll make mistakes. It's okay. Learning is the proof that if a child will make mistake, it's okay, as mistakes are the proof of learning. Okay, so just give it like this. X, letter X. Okay, now when child knows little bit, now he can draw it like this. Now you can decrease the dots side by side like this. You can just decrease the dots like this. You can just put these two types of dot and in mid 1, 2 dots. Now tell the child to trace it again. like this. Okay, now when the child will be able to do this like this, when you will see, now my child can hold the crayon properly. Now you can give the pencils and give this notebook to your child and tell to write on the lines, because now child can hold the pencil properly because he is able to hold the crayon properly. He has made these lines by himself or herself. Now child is perfect for these lines and for the use of pencils. So like this you can change the things. This is the procedure for writing. I'll brief more procedure for this in my next videos. Okay. So this was the letter X. Letter X. What's the formation of letter X? Like this. Two slanting lines. Two slanting lines. This is the mama X, means capital X, and this is the small x. Okay. So this was the letter X. What's the sound of letter X? X. 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 Perfect. So let's wind it up. If you like these videos, please subscribe my channel so that I can make more such fun and learning videos for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.